Hi, my name is Flaridor Machas, 36 years old, single, no kids. I worked in Taiwan before, taking care of 66 years old elderly male bedridden, finished contract. And then I work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, taking care of 18 years old boy, Down syndrome diabetic, 2 years contract. And then now here in Hong Kong, my first employer, I'm taking care of newborn baby girl until she's 6 years old. And to my current employer now, I'm taking care of kids. Finish contract this coming July 2024. My skills is cooking, cleaning, and do all the household chores. My personality is I'm happy and loving and caring person, and I preferably to work alone. My to my future employer, I want to taking care of kids, or does not matter. Thank you, and please check my profile in Helper Library app.